Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee in a factory. We will begin by understanding the essential raw materials and their precise measurements. Then, we'll delve into the critical cooking process, where temperature control is paramount for achieving that signature toffee texture. Finally, we'll explore the cooling, flavoring, and packaging stages that bring delicious toffee to consumers worldwide. This guide will cover the entire journey from raw ingredients to finished product. The journey begins with carefully measured ingredients like granulated sugar, rich butter, and a precise amount of water. These are loaded into large, jacketed cooking kettles. The mixture is then heated gradually, often reaching temperatures around 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. Continuous stirring is crucial during this phase to prevent scorching and to ensure uniform caramelization, which develops the toffee's deep flavor and golden color. Once the desired temperature and consistency are reached, the hot toffee mass is carefully transferred onto large, temperature-controlled cooling tables or continuous cooling belts. Rapid cooling is essential to achieve the characteristic brittle snap of toffee. During this stage, various flavorings, such as natural vanilla extract or crunchy chopped nuts, can be incorporated, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the cooling slab before it fully hardens. After cooling and hardening, the large toffee slabs are moved to automated cutting machines. These machines precisely cut the toffee into uniform, bite-sized pieces or bars. The individual pieces then proceed to the packaging line, where they are wrapped and sealed to maintain freshness. Throughout this entire process, rigorous quality control checks are performed to guarantee that every piece of toffee meets strict standards for taste, texture, and appearance, ensuring a delightful experience for consumers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.